I thought Mary did an amazing job. She has a knack to kind of figure out the rhythm of the room. And so you kind of start out on this high note and then she takes you down and then she'll get you thinking and then she'll get you laughing and then she'll get you talking. And then she finishes again on this like really high note of like engagement. I think she's an excellent speaker, but more than that, she just can read a room and really kind of listen and hear what people need from her and then just deliver on the spot.
Across every industry, organizations are witnessing a disengagement crisis, with an average of only 32% of people considering themselves engaged, according to decades of research by Gallup. And the Predictive Index reports employee disengagement is costing US companies between $480 and $600 billion every year. With so many new problems, it seems silly to be holding on to old ways of solving them. My work is all about using science and the power of play to give leaders and teams new ways of communicating and connecting, leading to deeper engagement and the skills to continue staying actively involved and committed. Crafting an engaging experience and building long-term, high-performing culture takes more than just throwing pizza and beer at the problem. At the core, we feel apathetic and disengaged when we don't deeply connect to our work, our teams, or our leaders. Most organizations leave this important aspect of success to chance, hoping it will just magically take care of itself. But successful organizations of today and tomorrow don't leave their culture and connection to chance. They know in order to stay competitive and relevant in this ever-changing market, they need to have methods in place to cultivate a vibrantly engaged culture that is going to attract and retain top talent. Engaged people are self-motivated for success, and instead of being distracted or bored, they're busy creating innovative solutions. Disengaged people usually just end up making more problems than they solve. After working together, my clients find an increase in team cohesion, a breaking down of silos, and people becoming their own engagement champions by taking the skills they've learned in our experiences and applying them to their everyday personal and professional lives. My immersive talent development experiences and organizational methods break through all the noise and clutter, going from overwhelmed to empowered with the help of science and the power of play.
I didn't expect the level of group activity and inclusiveness that we all had, but it was nice to not be put on the spot in any way, especially being new. So I kind of appreciated that, and it felt like it was also pretty easy to talk to people because we all were feeling comfortable and in our senses and everything. So yeah, it made the night really easy.
Mary always hosts a wonderful event where you get to learn and meet new people and network and learn something new that you didn't know before, something that you can apply to life and work.
So one really easy way to use LEGO Serious Play is to carry a bunch of ducks around. And you are, let's say, at a meeting, you're at a bar, and you want to strike up a deeper conversation beyond just the how's the weather and what do your kids do? Pull out 6 bricks, just 6 LEGO bricks, and tell someone to build a duck. In this process, you're going to build a duck, they're going to build a duck, you're going to put 30 seconds on your phone, and you'll be surprised at what happens in those 30 seconds. You'll be able to see their version of what a duck looks like and compare it to yours and have an opportunity to really go deeper into how you came to those answers given the same amount of information and the same amount of resources in the same amount of time.